family. Say what's up to the people.
What's up? Welcome back.
Back home, 305. Back with family. No place like home. Say something nice about me. Don't lie now. Say something nice. You ain't got nothing to say? Go ahead.
Billy is really nice. He's a nice person.
Y'all see that?
Like that? He's a really nice person.
Y'all see how my brothers do? I came all the way back home for that treatment. Y'all see that?
Hey, welcome back, bro. Hey, you know how it is. We love you.
Right. All right, it's the LB here with me and SoFlo.
Yeah.
I let him LB.
Yeah. Welcome to South Florida, y'all. My brother is back in town. He's back in South Florida. He did his thing out in LA. You know, catch him on Netflix if you want to know who he is. You'll see him. He got a couple shows for you. Now he's in South Florida with us right now, but soon you're going to hear about him. Trust me on that one.
Appreciate that, LB. Much love, man. Here with the bros. My bros, man. Just happy to be back in South Florida. Thankful to my brothers for coming out and doing this for me. What a wonderful welcome back to SoFlo. I love and appreciate them so much for welcoming me back.